this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone to Dodge Charger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your iPhone to a Dodge Charger, regardless of the model or the year, is extremely simple. So this will be primarily done through Bluetooth. You might be able to do this with a standard cable, but for this particular video, I'm going to be talking about the Bluetooth method, so keep that in mind. So to connect your phone to your Dodge Charger, go over to the Media tab. This is going to differ depending on your particular model, but for most Dodge Chargers, you will have a Media category, and inside of Media, you will see the option to connect a device. So inside of the Media tab, look for the option to choose a source, connect a new source, or anything similar. When you choose Select Source, you will be able to find Bluetooth. As I mentioned earlier, you can also simply connect it over your USB cable. If you believe that this is more convenient, then these are also going to be viable options. If you choose Bluetooth, you will be able to connect your phone by going over to Add Device. So under the Bluetooth category, as you can see here, choose Add Device. Now on your iPhone, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled. So you head over into the settings. Inside of the settings, enable Bluetooth, make sure that it is powered on like this, and then your Dodge Charger should appear under the list of available devices. Once it is listed here, you will select it, and then the connection will be established. You will see a pin. Don't worry, you don't have to type this out manually in its entirety. This is only used to make sure that it is your phone trying to connect with your Dodge Charger. If it doesn't appear named as Dodge Charger, you will be able to confirm the label here. So for most cases, it is going to be you connect instead. With this done, you tap yes and the connection will be established. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.